Hi everyone, Namaste. In this video, we're going to talk about data, what it is, its definition, and the types of data, specifically primary and secondary data. I hope you find this video informative and helpful.
Is everywhere. In today's digital age, we are constantly surrounded by data. But what exactly is data? Simply put, data is information. It can be numbers, facts, figures, or even observations. Businesses use data to understand their customers, and scientists use data to make new discoveries. Think about your favorite social media platform. It collects data about your likes and interests. This data is then used to show you personalized ads and content. Or consider a weather app on your phone. It uses data to provide accurate forecasts. Data is a powerful tool for making informed decisions. Understanding different types of data is crucial for effectively utilizing this vast resource. In the following sections, we'll delve into two major data categories: primary data and secondary data. We'll explore their definitions, collection methods, advantages, and disadvantages. By the end, you'll have a clear understanding of these data types and how to choose the best one for your needs. Primary data is original data collected directly from the source. It's first-hand information gathered for a specific purpose. Conduct surveys, interviews, or focus groups to gather opinions and feedback. Another way to collect primary data is through experiments. Test the effectiveness of a new marketing campaign. Compare responses to determine the impact. This data, collected through direct observation, is primary data. Primary data offers several advantages. Since it's collected firsthand, you can be certain of its accuracy and reliability. You have complete control over the data collection process, ensuring it aligns with your specific research questions. Moreover, primary data tends to be more up-to-date and relevant to your needs compared to data collected sometime in the past. However, collecting primary data also has its drawbacks. It can be time-consuming and expensive, especially for large-scale studies. Designing questionnaires, recruiting participants, and analyzing collected data requires significant effort and resources. Additionally, there's always a risk of bias influencing the data. The way questions are phrased or the researcher's own opinions can unintentionally skew the results. Secondary data refers to data that has been previously collected by someone else for a different purpose. This type of data is readily available through various sources like government publications, research articles, books, and online databases. For example, if you are researching population demographics, you can access census data collected by government agencies. Another example is using market research reports compiled by specialized firms. These reports often contain valuable insights into consumer behavior, market trends, and competitor analysis. Utilizing existing data in this manner constitutes using secondary data for your research or analysis. Understanding the advantages and disadvantages of secondary data. The biggest advantage of secondary data is its accessibility and cost-effectiveness. It eliminates the need for time-consuming and expensive data collection processes. Since the data already exists, you can access a vast amount of information quickly and often for free or at a fraction of the cost of primary research. However, the convenience of secondary data comes with some limitations. The data might not perfectly align with your research question or may be outdated. Additionally, you have no control over the data collection process, so there's always a possibility of inherent biases or inaccuracies in the original data. It's crucial to critically evaluate the source and quality of secondary data before drawing any conclusions. Primary versus secondary data, a head-to-head comparison. Feature primary data, secondary data definition. Original data collected firsthand, pre-existing data collected by others. Collection method: surveys, interviews, experiments, observations, government reports, research articles, databases, books. Advantages: accuracy, relevance, control over data collection, cost-effective, readily available, saves time. Disadvantages: time-consuming, expensive, potential for bias, may not be relevant, outdated, potential for inaccuracies. Choosing the right data type for your needs. Deciding whether to use primary or secondary data depends on your specific needs and resources. If you require highly specific information tailored to your research question and have the time and budget, primary data is the way to go. However, if you need quick and cost-effective insights and can work with existing data, secondary data is a valuable resource. Often the best approach involves a combination of both. You can use secondary data to gain a broad understanding of the topic and then conduct primary research to delve deeper into specific areas of interest. This combined approach leverages the strengths of both data types, providing a comprehensive and well-rounded perspective. Conclusion: data, the key to informed decisions. In conclusion, data plays a crucial role in making informed decisions. Understanding the difference between primary and secondary data empowers you to choose the most appropriate data type for your needs. By carefully considering the advantages, disadvantages, and specific requirements of your research, you can effectively utilize the power of data to gain valuable insights and make well-informed choices.